Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to Coinbase. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. Now to sign up, simply tap on to sign up button right here. Then simply add your email account just like this. Then add the 6-digit code that you will get on your email. If you are signing for the first time, you will do the sign up process. And if you have already logged in, you can simply tap on to sign in. Just like this. After signing up, you can simply add your details, and after that you will be able to use the Coinbase app. And that's it. This is how you can sign up to the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.